of fake smiles and cheerful greetings. Sometimes I wonder, do they know? Do they see through all of the defense mechanisms used to avoid real conversation? If only they knew what goes through my head from day to day. Manic voices screaming to me regularly. Kill them all. I tell them to shut up for now, working to put an end to these thoughts. All of the connections made over the years, the back channels created, allowing me access to pretty much anything. Guns, drugs, ammunition. All it would take would be a few phone calls. Let the powers that be ban whatever weapons they want. It will just make it easier. When they are left defenseless, I will hold the advantage. I will be the one who is remembered when all of the dust settles and the blood is drained. Sometimes I wonder, how many people could I bring to justice? 15, 20 perhaps? How many would it take to insert my name alongside the rest of the world's so-called psychopaths? I know I'm not crazy. My legacy will be one that dominates the history of our country for decades. I will be remembered. I will.